美国总统川普昨去联准会实在整修工程哦，说甲联准会主席鲍尔伫媒体头前为着整修的费用大细声，场面是真歹看。川普嘛，搁再呼吁联准会降利息，佢讲无必要甲鲍尔换掉，伊相信鲍尔会做出正确的决定。
将军联准会调开黑白政策会议进行较无一礼拜，美国总统川普真罕见来视察联准会，伊再一次呼吁爱降利息，因为利息相关民众无法度买厝。
We would be helped if interest rates would come down, but we're going to see how the board rules on that soon. I'd love to see them come down a lot, but we have a country that's thriving. We had a dead country 1 year ago. Today we have the hottest country anywhere in the world, and we'll get this one finished.
徛伫川普身躯边的联准会主席鲍尔，并无做什么回应，嘛无什么表情。川普认为讲无必要替换鲍尔，相信伊会做出正确的决定。川普进前捌几两摆公开批评鲍尔的领导能力，讲伊是失败者，佮批评降息的决策反应伤过慢。川普和鲍尔做伙来视察联准会的整修工程，讲工程费用按27亿美金增加到31亿美金，引起两个人对整修费用的讨论。 气氛是聊啊无拄好。
You're including the Martin renovation. You just added. Yeah, you just added in a third building. Is what that is. That's a third building.
Well, no, but it's a building that's being built.
No, it was built 5 years ago. We finished Martin 5 years ago.
It's part of the overall work.
But it's
So,
not new.
根据美国媒体报道，以早真少有现任的总统来拜访联准会，到这届川普的访问嘛，敢若是第4届尔。鲍尔对降利息的态度是真谨慎。 引起川普的不满。川普讲，目前的利息的水准上少有较悬3个百分点。公司新闻郑伟林编译。